I was not built to be a passenger. And this guy's crazy. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt. This is Robert, one of my friends. He's gonna be helping me out with filming the vlog today. We're at the firm. It's about 2 hours north of Orlando. My buddy's son's birthday, Anthony, from the YouTube channel The Driver Mod, came over this weekend, helped me get the car back on the road. So we're gonna go celebrate his son's birthday and then see what C8 can do on the track. We haven't got the C8 on the track since we did the Liberty Walk. We've only taken it when it was stock. So I'm really excited to see what all the extra little bits of downforce is gonna do for us. Pulling up right now, there's Grayson, the birthday boy, and his dad. Got a bunch of Mustangs, got a C8. Let's go say hi to the birthday boy. Grayson, happy birthday! Look at this guy. What do you think? You like him? What is that? On top of your head? No, on your head.
This thing, a mask.
Whoa. Let's see how she works. Shoot the cameraman. Whoa! All right, guys, we're about to go out for our first real session. We are in the blue group. Hear me, we're gonna take this one nice and slow, get a feel of it, get the tires warm, come back in, adjust some tire pressures, and then get out rip again. So this is just to kind of get the feel of everything. Feels good. Alright guys, we just finished up our very first session in the Liberty Walk C8. I don't know if it's the wider stance or the body kit or whatever, it does not feel the same. When it comes around the corners and stuff like that, it just, I don't know, it just feels different. And it may just be, the wider stance is just kicking it out differently, I don't know. Or maybe I just need to get used to it. So that was our first session. We're gonna go out another one, another couple of them. We're gonna try it out. But overall, the car did great. It felt great. It just definitely didn't feel confidence inspiring like it did. I don't know if I'm just scared of the body kit getting destroyed or if the car is feeling crazy. I don't know. Need a couple more sessions. We got two smoking C8s. That's not good. They're both smoking from the rear too. So, which is really weird. Oh, you know what mine's coming off of? All right, so we just got this Paragon Performance catch can. I do remember someone telling me there's a nut in the bottom that you need to put some Teflon tape in. I have not done that, so what's happening is that is literally dropping. There's literally a bolt in this dead center of that catch can, so it's dropping right on my cat. That's where my smoke's coming from. This guy? Yeah, you really can't see anything until you pull this out, and there's a panel there, then we can kind of see in there. 12 PSI out of the front tires. That should help me. All right, we got 32s in the rears, 30s up front.
Matt, what did you do?
I break everything. All right, guys, here we go. Round two. So we had 42 PSI in the fronts or rears. I don't know. We had a ton of air in the tires. So I dropped them all down to 30 all around. So we're gonna see if that makes a difference. Last run, it just felt a little sketchy, and tire pressure, it all makes sense now. Oh yeah, she feels way better. Had way too much air in those tires. Oh baby! Now we're good, now we're solid. Look at that, look at that. Woo. Beautiful, beautiful. All the difference in the world, just a little less air. Oh my gosh, so much better! We got Anthony behind us, he is ripping. Oh shit, Anthony just went straight over that. Now the only thing is, because we had that low tire pressure, at about 100 miles an hour, I'm getting pushed to the ground. Let's go. Oh, I'm hitting the front lip. Dang it. This kind of sucks. So you gotta pick and choose what you wanna deal with. You gotta figure out if you wanna deal with no traction. I'll explain to you guys in a second. I'm trying to, I'm kind of frustrated, but. All right, let's check out this front lip here. All right, yeah, you can see like, I don't know if you can see down here with the camera, but yeah, what you see right here, it looks like the actual lip comes down about another inch, which from what you can see here, under here. So I'm scraping all of this, nothing you see from the outside, but all from the bottom. And then when I'm braking really hard, it's just getting way too low. So smoke me.
Well, I can take the curbs.
Yep.
And then brakes.
Did you notice?
Coming out the slow speed corners, you could get me, but
what happens now is I lower the tire pressure, and now when I do high speed braking, I scrub. That front end is
can't
straight
win.
to the ground. So it's either I have too much air pressure and I have no traction, or I take out all air pressure and I scrub. So we're done for the day. I think I will still take it to spectator drags because there's no high speed braking.
Yeah.
Really.
not really.
Not really. So we should be fine.
Cool.
But as for today, brother, you win.
Right.
GT350 officially is faster than the Liberty Walk wide body.
We'll see.
C8. Anthony's going to be out at spectator drag, so we'll do another 350 versus C8.
We'll see if we can get lined.
We did race him last time. We won. This time though, you got more power, more downforce, bigger wing, front canards, tune, E85.
If I don't win with this, I mean, chalk it up.
You added power. I added a bunch of drag.
Lost weight, added power, added aero. So
maybe it'll work out.
Maybe
it'll work out. It'll be cool.
But I gotta take you around. I'll take you around
today.
Yeah.
Let's go for a ride. All right, guys. Since we can't take the C8 out, I give you guys the next best thing. We're gonna take the GT350, piloted by Mr. Anthony, the driver mod. If you guys aren't subscribed to his channel, go check it out. The driver mod. I'll put a link somewhere right here.
Hell yeah, let's go.
The man, the myth, the legend. Woo! Yeah, this is not what I was doing earlier, bro. Yeah, I definitely wasn't ripping up that thing like you were. Holy cow! Whoa!
Push through.
Bro, the grip on this thing is insane! Built to be a passenger. And this guy's crazy. Dehydrated. This thing's a beast.
It is.
Get me out of this thing. Well, as you guys can see, I wasn't feeling too hot at the end of that video. Anthony definitely shook me up in the GT350. I didn't make a conclusion to the video, but I got something better for you guys. Here's a preview of the next video. Anthony and I went to Cletus McFarland's Freedom Factory to compete in his spectator drags. You guys will definitely have to check that out. There's a couple crashes, couple spin outs, and Anthony got pretty dang far. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you guys in the next video.